Hello students, this is the second video of the chapter number 11, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers, in which we already discussed the different points such as a definition of alcohol, definition of phenol and ether, then classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers, and also the classification of monohydric alcohols. Next important point of this chapter, that is nomenclature system. There are mainly two systems of nomenclature of the compounds. That means naming for the compounds. That are, first one is according to IUPAC nomenclature system, or we can also say IUPAC nomenclature system. That means the naming for the compounds according to the rules of International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. And second method for naming the compound, that is common nomenclature system. The rules according to the IUPAC nomenclature system you already studied in 11th standard. Students, we know that the carbon can form very large number of different organic compounds. So, it is difficult to find out the compounds only from its physical and chemical properties. And so, the nomenclature system is very important for naming the compounds. The first one is the nomenclature of alcohols. There are three systems of nomenclature of monohydric alcohols. Monohydric means the alcohols which contains only one hydroxyl group. Therefore, they are the monohydric alcohols. And for these monohydric alcohols, there are the three systems of nomenclature, in which first one is common names. The common names of alcohols are obtained by adding word alcohol after the name of alkyl group bonded to OH group or to the hydroxyl group. That means, for example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. These are the common names of the alcohols. For higher alkyl groups also include the prefixes like normal, which is shown by small n, iso, secondary, tertiary. That means for higher alkyl groups we can use the words as n, iso, secondary, tertiary only in common nomenclature system. Second method for naming the monohydric alcohols, that is carbinol system. In this system, alcohols are considered as derivatives of methyl alcohol, which is called as carbinol. The alkyl group attached to carbon carrying OH group are named in alphabetical order, then the suffix carbinol is added. Next method of nomenclature system and the important, that is IUPAC system or IUPAC system. That means the naming to the compounds according to the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The rules according to this system you already studied in 11th science, in which the first rule is select the longest continuous chain of the carbon atom, but numbering to the carbon atom which is nearest to the functional group. If you selected only one carbon, then the parent alkane is methane. If there are the chain of two carbon atoms, then it is ethane. If there is a chain of three carbon atoms, then it is the propane. For four carbons, it is butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, etc. Then the ending E of the parent alkane, alkene or alkyne is replaced by suffix OL. म्हणजेच पॅरेंट अल्केन तुम्ही सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम. मग ह्या पॅरेंट अल्केनच्या ई शेवटी जो ई असणार आहे तो काढून टाकायचा आणि त्याच्या जागी तुम्ही काय सफिक्स लिहिणार आहात, OL. सो द नेम ऑफ अल्कोहोल बिकम्स ॲज अल्कॅनॉल्स. म्हणजे मिथेन असेल, ई रिप्लेस केला त्याच्या ठिकाणी OL लिहिला तर काय होईल, तो मिथॅनॉल किंवा इथॅनॉल या पद्धतीने. फॉर पॉलिहेड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स, पॉलिहेड्रिक म्हणजे काय, किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त हायड्रॉक्झिल ग्रुप जर प्रेझेंट असतील तर त्यावेळी ई इन द एंडिंग ऑफ अल्केन इज रिटेन्ड. म्हणजे पॉलिहेड्रिक अल्कोहोलसाठी ई पॅरेंट अल्केनचा जसा आहे तसाच राहू द्यायचा, तो रिप्लेस करायचा नाही. द एंडिंग OL is added and number of OH groups is indicated by prefix di, tri, etc. before OL. Cyclic alcohols are named by using prefix cyclo to the parent alkane and considering OH group attached to कार्बन नंबर 1. म्हणजे सायक्लिक अल्कोहोल्स असतील, म्हणजे ज्यांच्यामध्ये रिंग स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे बेन्झिन रिंग प्रेझेंट असेल, अशा सायक्लिक अल्कोहोलच्या बाबतीत तुम्ही प्रिफिक्स म्हणजे नावाच्या आधी तुम्हाला सायक्लो हा शब्द लिहायचा आहे आणि OH ग्रुप हा सायकलच्या म्हणजे त्या कार्बन नंबर 1ला प्रेझेंट आहे असं कन्सिडर करायचं आहे. देर आर द कॉमन and IUPAC names of some alcohols. There are the 3 columns. First one, that is the structural formula of the alcohols. Then second one is common names, and third one that is IUPAC names. So first see the first example, that is CH3OH. The common name is methyl alcohol. For IUPAC names, first select the longest continuous chain, but here only one carbon atom is present. So this is the parent alkane is here methane, and from this methane ending E is replaced by OL, and so it becomes as methanol. To write down the IUPAC name of any compound, only first letter is capital, all the letters are small letters. There is no space between the letters, and use hyphen in between number and letter, and use comma to separate the numbers. Next example is CH3CH2OH. Its common name is ethyl alcohol. IUPAC names here first numbering to the carbon, numbering from that side which is nearest to the functional group OH. Here the 2 carbon atoms are present, so the parent alkane is ethane. E is replaced by OL, so its IUPAC name is ethanol. In the same way, in the third example, there are the chain of 3 carbon atoms, so it becomes as parent alkane is propane. But here the position of OH group, it is shown by the locant, that means by with the help of number, and OH group is attached to first carbon number. Therefore the name is propan 1-ol. Here 1-ol means the OH group is attached to first number of carbon atom, and its common name is N-propyl alcohol. In the next example, here CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. Its common name is a secondary butyl alcohol, and IUPAC name is, here select the longest continuous chain. The numbering from CH3, then CH, CH2, CH3. That means the parent alkane is butane. but here OH means hydroxyl group present to the second number of carbon atom, and it is shown by the number 2. That means 2 all means here OH group is present on the second number of carbon atom. So its IUPAC name is butan 2 all. Then the next, that is CH2OH, CH3, and also another substituent CH3. Its common name is isobutyl alcohol and IUPAC name. Here CH3 is present to the second number of carbon atom, and it is the substituent. The substituents is written as a prefix. So the IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanol. The common name tertiary butyl alcohol, and its structure is CH3, C, then OH, and to this central carbon atom again 2 CH3 groups, that means 2 methyl groups are attached, and its IUPAC name is therefore. First select the longest continuous chain. Here the longest continuous chain, it is of 3 carbon, and at the second number of carbon atom OH group and methyl group is present. So the name becomes as 2-methyl propan 2 all. Next here CH2 and OH groups are present on these 2 different carbon atoms. Its common name is ethylene glycol and IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. Here E is written as it is. It is not replaced by OL for in case of polyhydric alcohols. First write down the full name of the parent alkane, then the position of OH group, that means on which carbon numbers are they present. Here in this example OH groups are present on carbon number 1 and 2. So here write down 1, 2 and 2 hydroxyl group. So use diol. In next example, here 3 OH groups are present on 3 carbon atoms. Then its common name is propylene glycerol and IUPAC name is 3 carbon atoms. So parent alkane is propane, and position of hydroxyl group on each carbon atom, that means carbon number 1, 2 and 3. So write down 1, 2, 3 and 3 hydroxyl group. So use tri and then write OL. So IUPAC name is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Next example, here there is the presence of carbon-carbon double bond at in between carbon number 2 and 3. So the parent alkane is here alkene because there is the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. 4 carbon atoms are present. It is butene, but again the double bond present at second number of carbon atom. So write down but2en, then 1 all. That means hydroxyl group at first number of carbon atom and double bond present at the second number of carbon atom. So it is about the naming according to the common names and IUPAC nomenclature system for the alcohols. Next one, nomenclature of phenols. The IUPAC system name of phenol is benzenol. The common name phenol is also accepted by IUPAC. म्हणजे फिनॉल हे जे कॉमन नेम आहे इट इज ऑल्सो ॲक्सेप्टेड बाय IUPAC. म्हणजे IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचरमध्ये सुद्धा आपण फिनॉल यूज करू शकतो. द कॉमन नेम्स हॅव प्रीफिक्सेस अर्थो, मेटा अँड पॅरा सबस्टिट्यूटेड फिनॉल्स. अर्थो, मेटा आणि पॅरा पोजिशन्स आपण फक्त कॉमन नेम्समध्ये यूज करू शकतो. IUPAC system uses the locant 2, 3, 4, etc. to indicate the position of substituents. Here are the some common and IUPAC names of the phenols, in which first one is benzene ring with OH group is present. Therefore, common name is phenol. Its IUPAC name is phenol or the benzenol. In the next example here, there is the presence of OH and CH3 groups on the carbon atom. So, the carbon number 1 is one on which OH group is present, and the second number of carbon atom, that is on which CH3 group is present. Its common name is orthocresol and IUPAC name is 2-methyl-phenol. Next example here, OH group is considered at the carbon number 1 and NO2 group, it comes at the 4th number of carbon atom. So its common name is para-nitrophenol and IUPAC name is 4-nitrophenol. Para position means carbon number 1 and 4. Next one is there is the presence of 2 hydroxyl groups on 2 different carbon atoms. Its common name is catechol and IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol. Next is OH group is present on first and third number of carbon atom. Its common name is resorcinol and IUPAC name is benzene 1,3-diol. Next one is the 2 hydroxyl groups present on first and fourth number of carbon atom. Therefore, its common name is hydroquinone or quinol and IUPAC name is benzene 1,4-diol. Here first write down benzene. 1,4 means the hydroxyl group are present on first and fourth number of carbon atom. There are 2 hydroxyl group are present, so there is use of di and OL. In the same way, there are the 2 examples. Nomenclature of ethers. According to common nomenclature system, the ethers are named by writing name of alkyl group attached to oxygen atom in alphabetical order and word ether is added. For example, ethyl, methyl, ether, etc. If 2 alkyl groups are same, use the prefix di. If there are the alkyl groups, 2 alkyl groups present and they are the same, in this case, use the prefix di. Next, that is the according to IUPAC nomenclature system, ethers are named as alkoxyalkanes. The larger alkyl group is considered to be parent alkane. म्हणजे IUPAC नेम्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये इथर्स काय असणार आहेत, दीज आर द अल्कोक्झिअल्केन. आणि जेव्हा ऑक्सिजनच्या आयदर साईडला दोन्ही वेगवेगळे अल्किल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट आहेत, अशावेळी जो मोठा म्हणजे लार्जर अल्किल ग्रुप असेल, इट इज कन्सिडर्ड ॲज द पॅरेंट अल्केन. द नेम ऑफ स्मॉलर अल्केन इज प्रिफिक्स्ड बाय नेम ऑफ अल्कोक्झी ग्रुप अँड इट्स लोकंट. Here are the common and IUPAC names of some ethers. First, that is the CH3OCH3. That means this is the symmetrical ether. Its common name is simply dimethyl ether. Dimethyl means 2 methyl group are present, so use di. as the prefix. Hence, common name is dimethyl ether. IUPAC name, both the alkyl groups are present same, therefore its IUPAC name is methoxymethane. Next one is CH3O CH2CH3. CH3 means methyl group and CH2CH3 means C2H5, that is the ethyl group. Common name is ethyl methyl ether and IUPAC name, the larger group, it is considered as the parent alkane. Therefore, its IUPAC name is methoxyethane. Next one, CH3OCH2 CH2CH3 methyl N-propyl ether is its common name and IUPAC name is 1-methoxypropane. Here propane is larger alkyl group and considered as the parent alkane. Next one is C6H5OCH3. Its common name is methyl phenyl ether, or it is also called as anisole is its common name and IUPAC name is methoxybenzene. Here the benzene ring on which there is OCH2CH2, there must be CH3. Therefore, its common name is phenyl N-propyl ether and IUPAC name is 1-propoxybenzene. Next one is the structure here. 2 CH3 groups are present and OCH3 on the second number of carbon atom of the cyclobutane. Therefore, its IUPAC name is 2-methoxy. Here methoxy group, it is considered on the second number of carbon atom. 2-methoxy 1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane.